New Mexico, and Lisa in particular, has always been so good about getting people to work together for the protection of animals. And we ought to just give Lisa a round of applause. If I mentioned everybody else in your organization, we'd be here all day. Everybody gets some of that applause. I also want to particularly commend all of the members, and we have quite a few here, but once we fill up the whole room, we had all of them, but everybody that is part of and working with the Attorney General's Animal Protection Task Force. But thanks to all of you all. These folks are out there day and night, and Heather goes with them a lot, making sure that not only do we have good laws on the books in New Mexico, but that we enforce the laws that protect animals in New Mexico, and they've done a great job. And I want to say, for instance, where enforcement is important, this year we finally had a conviction in a dogfighting case there. Even though the law had been on the books since 1981, this is the first conviction that we've had under the Dogfighting Act in New Mexico, but it's not the last one, right? And next, I want to thank all of the members of the legislature who are still working with us on all of these issues. And I think the governor mentioned most of the bills that we have, and the sponsors are going to get a chance to talk about their bills a little bit. But we think that a state where we can show that the laws in the state generate compassion for animals means that we also have compassion for everybody that's in the state. That this is such an important issue for us that we in New Mexico are the state where compassion reigns. Correct? We really appreciate all of the work that all of you all have done with regard to that. We can't all do it without the hard work that you do, and we appreciate you being up here at the legislature today to talk to your legislators. I also want to say thanks. I see Clint Welborn, who's the head of the District Attorneys Association. We get great support from the district attorneys. All of the work that you all do is what makes all of this happen. So there is one bill that hasn't been mentioned yet, and I don't see Representative King here yet, but we have another bill that bridges that human and animal compassion idea. One of our domestic violence bills that Representative King is carrying also makes it clear that doing or threatening great bodily harm to a family pet is an incidence of domestic violence. And so we want to make sure that people understand that you can't hold your pets hostage in a domestic violence situation. And so we're very proud of Representative King. I don't see her here yet today, but thanks to all of you all, and we will continue to be there to support you in every way that we can. Thank you.